house is my new modified 944. This is not a standard power car, and I'm at Santa Pod for the DAS GTI show to find out whether it's faster or slower than my 350Z or my Chaser. But first, I caught the cars arriving at this event.
So we've kind of called out Adam that this might not be a turbo.
The turbo's, it's invisible. I'm just adjusting.
It's invisible.
Adjusting the headlights because they keep. Oh. Yeah.
So you just
golf.
There's a golf in the background.
So yeah, that's how you adjust the headlights. B58.
Another B58.
I think it was.
I've just serviced it for today, ready for it. We've got a new dizzy cap because that kind of burnt the rotor arm. New plugs, new leads, and a new
Adam,
wishbone.
let me stop you there. There's more vehicles arriving.
No.
Sim racing.
So we fitted a new wishbone.
sorry, yes.
Because the ball joint had play in it, so there's an entire new wishbone in this car. And the previous...
Hello.
The previous owner... Oh, the cars. The previous owner helped me with that, so thanks, Jimmy.
I'm doing your job now. More yellow headlights.
Yeah. Oh, I could present. Audi sound that good. Audi managed that. M4 got M6 coming now. Look at this. Lovely colour. It's a comp, standing for competition. Oh, Snouty McSnoutface.
Ooh, interesting colour. It's wearing its own high-vis jacket.
Not easy being green. Oh dear, Audi RS5 slowed down for no reason. You slow down, you speed up again. I like this format. Look, M2 something I. Didn't make no noise. What about the Golf? It's the best car. Oh, it's a Caddy. Pretty. You fancy a mint?
I was in the mood for a mint.
I'm sorry. Hello. Well, do you fancy a game of golf? No. You can play golf and you can play polo. They're both involved like rods.
He's coming. The reason why I've stole the camera off Adam is he's just said he's concerned that the Porsche might not start.
It will start. It's just the battery is becoming old. I've done over 1,000 miles in this. Oh, look, it's going to be slow.
Yeah! Boring.
That's what it's
boring.
Just noticed the trip distance. Look, it's 3046, like my tag. Anyway, let's get our pictures taken. Hello. So I'm in the show and shine section with Brad and his very German Hummer. Don't know how you've got this in here.
The Americans beat the Germans, so this wins every time.
Oh, I like that. So what's he got? Oh, it's spec sheets. Go look. This is what we're meant to look at. I like the cushion. Oh no, sorry, no. We're meant to look up to show. Look.
Has it got starlight?
Yeah. Oh, there you go, Brad. Well, that's pixelated. Polo mints in the polo with the camber and the air.
Don't pixelate that. That's the best bit. That's the most classic bit of the car.
And these cars here, these arrived before I got here. So you've got the Alpina B10. We've got this crazy HKS Skoda, and this, which isn't a Lotus Colton because it's an Opel and it's wrong-hand drive. So these were called the Amiga. So this is a Lotus Amiga, and I can go around to the back. I'm sure there's going to be an Amiga badge on it because it is Lotus Amiga, because it's from Germany. And then we have the Audi Quattro short wheelbase. Beautiful.
That is cool.
And by the Venetian blinds, got more pixelated magazines. Found the proper drag cars. These are going to be a little bit faster than... Oh, he's turning off. Japanese car shows. We're annoyed when the Germans turn up, and look, we've got the Japanese car at the German show. But here are the A35s as the dragsters do their dragsters. Oh, the pretty colours of the rainbow. We've moved to the drag strip for good reason, because the Corrado, in inverted commas, is about to have a go on the prepped surface.
The four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive.
Corrado.
Apparently this is an 8-second E46.
We've also got
From Romania.
From Romania.
Was there a communal "oh" in the grandstand there?
Yes, there was.
The thing is, we still can't see him.
Is he okay? Yeah. Well, let's see what time he gets, ladies and gentlemen. Is he going to beat the Twingo? Oh, 24 now.
So Adam, what are we doing?
Well, we're going to try and get the first run in, but I've also entered for Show and Shine that we're now leaving, so hopefully they've already seen the car and I can maybe win an award whilst going up the strip.
Now, for the viewers at home, it's got a blow-off valve.
It's got a blow-off valve, yeah.
Okay, right. So, Adam's been entered into the Show and Shine for the category of Porsches.
Yes.
How many Porsches are here, Adam?
2. Yeah. Apparently this car has got roughly 300 horsepower. I've got a list of mods. When it's in boost, it is actually a quick car. It feels about as quick as the Cobra. We've got a Lindsay Racing wastegate enhancer.
That's 20 horsepower, yeah.
Vacuum hose kit. It's got a 3-bar fuel pressure regulator, high flow injectors, dump valve, yeah, Promax ECU map and KLR controller turbo chip. That's where most.
But the biggest horsepower upgrade is the aftermarket turbo sticker on the side.
No, that Porsche did sell, not in gold, but they were sunroof, look.
Adam, I've got a slight concern.
Oh no!
When you look at the professional cars,
It's got a flat tyre.
yeah, they don't have much air in the tyres, when you seem to have all of the air in your tyres. Big turbo, but big turbo sticker. Yeah. Behave, sir. Big power is you have big risks. Something just gone bang on the line, so he's been rolled back, and Adam should be making his way over.
I think if I short shift in first, then I can let the boost push me through second. I'm not going to do a burnout. Oh, I'm really nervous.
Decided against the burnout, which is an interesting take.
Here we go. Oh my god, it's a good race! No! Oh, I got too much slip off the line. I'm going to have to do a burnout next time.
15-2. Warm-up run. It might have been better to do the burnout, because obviously off the line you can see it's an open diff in that car. So getting the traction off the line, you can see it slip a bit. So 15-2, wherever it was, not bad, not bad.
I got a lot of wheel spin off the line, and it's like we could do another one, try and grip it up, do a burnout, don't want to blow the drive shaft. What you can hear right now is the Show and Shine Awards.
Porsche is now for sale.
No! Thing is, it feels really quick on the road. There it did not. It was literally like the first 100 yards of wheel spin. Genuinely, that is a quick car. Just not there. They got 15 and 15. From factory, they should do 14.0. So it's the wheel spin. It was me. I'm the problem.
So the Top Gear thing, how many ponies has it lost?
No. I'm the problem. Let's go for this Show and Shine award thing. What's going on here? Best classic.
And that's going to go.
I've got a classic. Oh.
So now we're going for best Porsche.
Best Porsche.
This is going to go to the 944 Turbo in red. Oh, Adam.
It's an award winner.
great.
Oh, right, zone axle provided. That's there. We've got. It's very heavy. What have we got? Oh my god! I've actually just run out of shampoo, so that's perfect time. Well, this is now an award-winning Porsche 944 Turbo. So there is a rolling road here. I'm just curious to see. I'm thinking it's only got about 250. From standard, this would have had a 220, but it's got the ECU injectors. And as I say, on the road, it is genuinely a quick car. I was very disappointing at my 15-second run, but I think genuinely it was all down to wheel spin. So we're at Fortune Performance. It's a jet car that got 10 seconds quicker than mine. And we're going to find out exactly how many ponies this has lost or gained. Because as I said, it's not a standard power car, but it is from 1988. It was restored in 2014, and it might need a bit more wood. Oh, it's scary. Look, you've got a fan at the front, driven wheels at the back. They're already at 30 miles per hour. Round 2. Of truth, they're going to give me a document to show the final outcome. We're thinking 250. Burned off a bit of oil on the first run, but now it's running mint. So we got strong curves, good curves, consistent curves, and the peak power of 264. So not quite 300, but 264.
Pleasantly surprised.
From factory, these are 220. The early turbos about 220-ish. So it's still obviously more than factory. We need to get back on the strip.
So basically, your only excuse now for a time.
It's me.
It's the driver. So
from factory, they should do 14 seconds, and I got 15.2.
Shall we ask some of the dragsters if anyone's got any slicks we can borrow?
Or better drivers. What's the torque? 372 Newton meters.
So I think, as much as it kills me, I'm going to do a burnout, and then I'm not going to dump the clutch as much off the line. I'm going to go at lower RPM and then wait for the boost to push me. Hopefully I can then grip. Open diff light. Come on, come on.
Better.
So slow off the line. No.
There's no difference at all.
So that way, I didn't have enough wheel spin, and it just bogged down off the line. Oh well, I'm going home. I'm not chancing my luck. So basically, I'm not very good at drag racing. I've not done a lot. Obviously, I've done most of my cars, but I do like 2 runs and that's it. These are my driving excuses. I'm proud enough to admit. So yeah, I didn't want to over rev and then blow a drive shaft. So I didn't rev much on the launch, and it just bogged down, waiting for the turbo. Then the turbo came in and it went. So it's just that launch. So I've got 2 types of launches, one with wheel spin, one without. As I said, a 944 turbo should get about 14 seconds. My car, we now know, has 40 more horsepower than the standard early turbo, which this is. So it should be quicker than 14 seconds. So the only reason it didn't get that is me and the coldness.
Genuinely, I'm surprised. I'm glad I had the dyno, so I know that it is actually strong power and a well-running car, because I'd be worried that it was down on power from those results, because it should be about 14. So I can blame myself. I mean, it might not even get 14, but I'm happy. We've seen the car in action. It's won an award, and I now know how much power this car's got. 264 brake horsepower. That's at the crank. So I hope you enjoyed that video from Santa Pod's Das GTI show. My first time here in my first German car. But for now, thanks for watching.